Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Chat Flow. Today, we have a relaxing story to practice simple English listening. Our story is about Sophia and her morning routine. Morning routines are important because they help us start the day with energy and a clear mind. Let's listen to how Sophia begins her day. Sophia is a 22-year-old university student. She studies business at a university in the city. She lives alone in a small but comfortable apartment near her campus. Sophia is not a night person. She prefers mornings. She believes that mornings are peaceful and full of fresh energy. Because of this, she tries to wake up early every day. Every morning, Sophia wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Her alarm rings softly, and at first she feels a little sleepy. She slowly opens her eyes and looks out the window. Sometimes the sky is light blue, and sometimes it is still a little dark. Sophia does not jump out of bed immediately. First, she stretches her arms and legs. She takes a deep breath and smiles. This small moment helps her wake up calmly. After a minute, she gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. In the bathroom, Sophia starts her morning hygiene routine. She brushes her teeth carefully and then washes her face with cool water. The cold water wakes her up and makes her feel fresh. Next, she brushes her hair and looks in the mirror. "Good morning, Sophia," she sometimes says to herself with a small laugh. This little habit makes her feel positive before the day begins. After that, Sophia goes to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Breakfast is her favorite meal of the day. She believes breakfast gives her energy for studying and working. Her breakfast is usually simple and healthy. She often cooks 2 eggs in a small pan. While the eggs are cooking, she prepares a slice of toast and cuts a banana. Sometimes she also adds a little honey or peanut butter on the bread. Finally, she makes a cup of hot coffee. The smell of fresh coffee fills the kitchen and makes the morning feel warm and peaceful. Sophia sits at the small table near the window while she eats. While eating breakfast, she likes to do small, relaxing things. Sometimes she listens to soft music. Other mornings, she checks the weather on her phone. If the weather is sunny, Sophia feels excited. If it is rainy, she prepares her umbrella and a warm jacket. After breakfast, Sophia washes her dishes and cleans the kitchen quickly. She likes to keep her apartment tidy because a clean space helps her focus. Next, she goes back to her bedroom to get dressed for the day. Sophia usually chooses comfortable clothes. Since she is a university student, she often wears jeans, sneakers, and a light sweater. If the weather is cold, she adds a warm coat. Then she packs her backpack. Inside her bag, she puts her notebook, textbooks, pens, her phone charger, and sometimes a small snack. Before leaving, Sophia takes one last look around her apartment. She makes sure the lights are off and the door is locked. At 7:30 a.m., Sophia leaves her apartment and starts walking to university. The university is not far from her home, so she prefers to walk instead of taking a bus. The walk takes about 15 minutes, and it helps her wake up fully. The morning streets are calm, but slowly becoming busy. Sophia sees many interesting things during her walk. She sees students carrying backpacks, workers going to offices, and shop owners opening their stores. Sometimes she passes a small bakery, and the smell of fresh bread fills the street. It always makes her smile. Sophia enjoys the fresh morning air and the quiet feeling of the early day. Walking helps her think about her goals and her plans. By the time she arrives at the university campus, she feels awake, focused, and ready. Her morning routine may be simple, but it helps her feel calm, organized, and happy. Sophia believes that when you start your morning in a positive way, the rest of the day becomes easier and more productive. Thank you for listening to English Chat Flow. You can listen again to practice your listening and learn new words. Try to describe your own morning routine in English, too. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.